Hi children, I am your library teacher. I am back with a new story. Are you ready? Then let's start the story. Today's story name is The Honest Woodcutter. Long ago, there lived a woodcutter in a small village. He was sincere in his work and very honest. Every day, he set out into the nearby forest to cut trees. He earned just about enough to make a living, but he was satisfied with his simple living. One day, while cutting a tree near a river, his axe slipped out of his hand and fell into the river. The river was so deep he could not even think to retrieve it on his own. He was very sad and prayed to the god. He prayed sincerely. The god of water appeared in front of him and asked, "What is the problem, my son?" The woodcutter explained the problem and requested the god to get his axe back. The god of water said, "Don't worry, son, I will get your axe." The god put his hand deep into the river and took out a golden axe and asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter looked at the axe and said no. So the god put his hand back deep into the water again and showed a silver axe and asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter said, "No, it's not mine. I can't cut the trees with a silver axe. It's not useful for me. Please give me my axe." The god smiled and finally put his hand into the water again and took out his iron axe and asked, "Is this your axe?" To this, the woodcutter said, "Yes, this is mine. Thank you." He took the axe from the god. The god was very impressed with his honesty. So, he gave him the other two axes as a reward for his honesty. The woodcutter was very happy and went back home with all three axes. After returning home, the villagers were surprised to see the gold and silver axes. So, the woodcutter told whatever was happened with him. One greedy friend of woodcutter had a plan after hearing everything from his friend. Next day, he went to the same place where woodcutter has lost his axe while cutting the wood. He dropped his axe purposely in the river. He started crying loudly at the river bank. The god of water appeared in front of him and asked, "What is the problem, my son?" He told God that he had lost his axe. God put his hand deep into the river and took a golden axe and he asked, "Is this your axe?" "Yes, this is mine," he said greedily by saying golden axe. The god was angry with his dishonesty and told him, "You will not get anything as a reward of your dishonesty." The man started crying as, due to his dishonesty, he has lost his own axe and now had nothing left with him. Moral of the story: always be honest. Honesty is always rewarded. Did you like the story? Now we will meet next week. Till then, bye.